It's sunny. It's sunny in Van.
Today, let's check out the Ring alarm window and door contact sensor. This affordable sensor is a fantastic addition to your Ring alarm system, ensuring every door and window in your home is secure. It immediately alerts you when a door or a window is opened, providing protection and peace of mind. The Ring alarm contact sensors are easy to install. They mount easily to any door or window frame with a simple DIY setup. Once connected to your Ring Alarm or Ring Alarm Pro base station, you'll start receiving mobile alerts via the Ring app whenever a door or window is opened. Upgrade your home security with Ring's alarm window and door contact sensor.
Join us on this journey to find your dream home in Vancouver. With sunny